My name is Lise Landrin. I'm a postdoctoral researcher. I'm working both in geography and philosophy, and I joined the project Remix Place for Iech 2022. I arrived in Luxembourg in the beginning of June, so 50 days ago, and I arrived with my van from Grenoble, from the Alps, far away. And so I just came, with my shoes, and I'm a geographer, so a bit nomad. So I just arrived in a place and see what's going on. So I stay in the public camping of Iech sur Alzette. So I stay with my van in Lëtzebuerg. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
Geography of emotion is a scientific term. It's everyday life. It's identity. Feel attached to places, and it's personal. So Rubik's project is between art and sciences, and we want to investigate the fieldwork in the region and make, out of what we have studied, make a theater play with a group, and also an exhibition with sound, with pictures. So we'll try to make a fieldwork and give it an artistic expression at the end.